Hey everyone, I wanted to do a quick review and unboxing of the DJI Mic 2. So let's get into it, let's see what comes inside the box, and let's see if it's a great upgrade from just having the standalone Mic 2 by itself. If you're a content creator, filmmaker, podcaster, or even a wedding shooter, there's one tool that can instantly upgrade your production: clean audio. The DJI Mic 2 promises pro-grade sound, onboard recording, and creator-friendly usability packaged in a sleek charging case. But at $349, is this really your all-in-one audio solution? Let's find out. Welcome to the channel. I'm Mal Thomas, and I do tech reviews, travel vlogs, and anything in between. First off, presentation. Top notch. You get 2 transmitters, 1 receiver with a bright OLED screen, a magnetic clip, USB-C, and lighting adapters, dead cats, TRS cable, and this compact charging case with the USB-C. It's compatible with cameras, phones, laptops, you name it. Whether you shoot with a Sony mirrorless, an iPhone, a Galaxy Flip, it just works with anything that you have. The build quality is seriously premium, matte finish, clicky tactile buttons, and the transmitters now record internally for up to 14 hours. That means no audio dropouts even if your connection cuts. The receiver has a touchscreen that's surprisingly intuitive. You can monitor levels, adjust gain on the fly, toggle safety track, and even mute channels, all without digging through the menus. And this is it with the new mic. 1, 2, 1, 2. And what I like about it comes with this little magnetic clip or whatever. I don't know if it would like to focus. Anyways, it snaps on like that, which I think is pretty cool. So if you ever want to go incognito, I think I hit the record button. I don't know how this works. So now I'm recording off of the Mic 2. Yeah, as you can see here with the red button. And on the receiver, it has like the little red square too. So yeah, this is how it sounds within my bedroom here. Not too crazy. And yeah. So let's take it outside and see what it sounds like from afar. Alright, so now I'm outside. This is me stepping away with a considerable amount of breeze. Now let me go all the way back here and just show you how much range I can go. So feet wise, 20, 30, 40 feet. All the way back here, dog barking in the background and everything. It should be enough for what you need. I know it's good because I've had it before for my Pocket 3, so no questions, no comments, no concerns. Well, let's get inside for the breakdown. So this is where DJI nailed it for the everyday creator. Audio pairing out of the box, internal backup so you never lose audio, touch controls that make sense, compact design that doesn't clutter your rig, and battery life is about 6 hours per mic, so 15 total hours with the case. Whether you're doing lives on Instagram, shooting cinematic B-roll, or editing a podcast, this mic is built to flex with your content style. This isn't just a mic for the pros, it's for you, whether you're leveling up from your budget gear and want something that grows with your channel. If you're tired of inconsistent audio, syncing nightmares, or just want a peace of mind on set, this mic is a no-brainer. DJI crushed it with the version 2.